welcome back to my channel. So it's finally the Mehndi vlog. It's actually been like a month or so since the Mehndi, but I thought I wanted to give an actual intro because the intro to this one, I literally look like I'm about to cry because I was crying. But yeah, I explained that, and I just thought it was funny because at the time, honestly, like, I was so upset and I was literally like, what's the point? Like, why did I do all that? Like, why did I put all that effort in if it's just gonna end up getting deleted? I don't understand. I just felt really sorry for myself, and now I'm fine. Like, I lost like 3.5 videos, but that was like a month ago, and now I have new content and it's fine. So sometimes you feel like it's the end of the world, but give it a month and you'll be okay, inshallah. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it. I did have like the whole setup process and like us getting our Mehndi done, and I did like my makeup and my hair, but obviously that's all gone. So it's literally just what I filmed on the day. It's none of like the lead up to the Mehndi. But yeah, I hope you guys don't mind. It is what it is, and yeah, it's just us having fun. I recorded like this whole week and I lost all my wedding footage, and I've literally been crying. I did all my makeup and I started crying and I ruined it all. Welcome to my channel. It's the Mehndi vlog. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It's really late. I think everyone's there. We've had some other issues going on today. It's just been the most stressful day. It's been a stressful year. So this is my outfit. It's really pretty. It's from Pakistan, and this was the dupatta that came with it, and this is the makeup look I went through. Thank the Lord I got ready early. After I cried, I just put some concealer and powder back on top. But yeah, just getting some videos of the bride.
Oh, beautiful.
Zainab's here.
Wait, let me get your head up slightly. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, wow. Hey, look, have a look.
Badge, can you do the hand thing again?
I didn't even paint my nails.
And then turn it
Fine,
around.
natural, natural.
Hi. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do the bride's entrance now, so the boys are gonna put a dupatta and we're gonna play kabira. I'm so excited. Great angle. Oh, so cute. Well, that was a really cute video. They're gonna bring This is what Mama's making all night.
Oh, it's all hard, solid.
How are you gonna?
We're just gonna do it.
Smile for the vlog! Yay! Camera. So cute. They're crying in front of everyone. We're gonna go get some food.
Hi guys.
Zainab's here! They just saw us cry. Like a lot. We cried so much. Yay! Food in here. Oh my gosh, everything looks so good. Yes, Maria, a kui. This is my plate of the day. I got kebabs, a jarry potato, rice. So this is Regia's plate of the day. What do you have?
Tomatoes because I'm healthy.
Wait, you do eat clean though. She does. I've been hearing about this. Why does everyone know about? You meant to say what you got.
Everyone's gonna take the mic out of my pronunciation. Okay, is it samosa? Yeah, I know how to say samosa, but everyone's say kebab. What did you say, kebab? Yeah, she probably said samosa kebab. Okay.
Maria's so embarrassed. She's like, shut up, guys.
Maria's quirky.
She is quirky.
She's not like the other.
I've got a kebab.
Yeah.
Samosa.
Don't be embarrassed.
Chowdy wedges. This is my second plate. And then
That's fine. No
and then spicy yogurt.
Amazing.
I love it. It's really nice.
It's mentioned. It's literally special edition plate of the day because it's the bride. Let's see what you got.
Zana, oh, careful, Maya.
Yeah, Zana filled this plate to the top.
It's so I'm not gonna finish this. So I have biryani.
Yeah.
I have ajari potatoes.
Beautiful.
Salad. Chicken kebab. Samosa. And that's it.
We got Shazim. We got Raheel. Adam and Hai. They're making up for my missing content. Adam, you're my partner. Sing the dance. Do you remember? No. Sing. Okay, we got another practice and the bride just came in. Oh, do from now. Neha bought us face jams.
Forgot to wear this.
No, you're gonna wear them now. Okay, yeah. Oh, so you wear yellow. You put yellow.
Yellow. You sure I should do yellow?
Oh, or red.
Guys,
I think red.
Let's see.
Do you want the medium or the big one?
the media?
To be touching. They're having a dance party outside. You look so pretty in this lighting. That's good. Should I switch up? Should I comb my hair now? I'm joking. I'm joking. Here's our face gems.
Wow.
Introduce me to this sick colour. Wait, watch when she takes out. It's so good. £15, guys. I'm gonna get one. My curls never turn out like that. Mashallah.
Like put your hands through it. Looks
Yeah.
visual as well.
This guy almost ruined the whole wedding because we thought he had coronavirus. And I'm gonna play the voice note here.
It's the best thing I've ever
It's the funniest thing because he sounds like he has corona, but he didn't. And like if he had corona, then his whole family couldn't come, and that's our first cousin.
Light work.
Light work. What the? But yeah, he got the test. He doesn't have it. No.
About the blisters because that's my favorite. So he got
This guy went to London
because he doesn't have to use the tube, so he had to walk everywhere. But wait,
I use the tube.
But wait, do you know what he walked in? His friend's shoes that were 2 sizes too small, and he tracked it around the whole of London, and ended up with a blister this big.
Alright, Hudson, they're forcing me to dance.
We're telling
Hashtag
them.
save Adam.
We're telling them. Okay, everyone's just in the bathroom now. Hamza's here! Yay!
What?
A waiver.
What does that do?
His hair's already wavy. Oh my god, try it though.
Do you want anyone's chance?
I want to see
Do
it.
you want mine? What's the point?
Oh yeah, do it. Your hair's
My hair
greasy.
falls off, I swear.
Why would it fall off?
Has her hair fallen off? It fell off.
Wait, you have to be close.
Why so scared? You're scared.
Bro, she's not gonna burn your head.
She can burn your head, not your hair.
Is that what's in your hair like? No, because you got gel in your hair.
Yeah, but...
Oh, you see that flavour it just gave you? The little bit.
Yeah, it does. It gave a little kink. Well, I had to go dance. I took my bindi off because it was moving a lot. I don't know the dances that well. But, you know, just vibes. No moves, just vibes. Just got caught vlogging. Also are doing a skit and they have the... And that,
You can't show.
yeah.
We've got.
And then
We've got Shafa.
we have Siddharth and Zayn. Yeah, Zayn. Wow, amazing. It's gonna be so funny. We're about to dance and we're freaking out.
Hi guys, we're in Hong Kong. Everyone was doing stuff.
There's so much going on.
We're just sitting back and stuff.
I'm having a panic attack. Nothing is right. Nothing is okay.
Are you ready? the end of the night, but I really wanted to show you the decorations. Like, you guys don't understand how upset I am that all my footage got deleted. Like, but it's okay. Everything happens for a reason. Still don't know the reason, but it's fine. I'll take you through the decor now. I literally filmed us all putting it together. I filmed us getting our henna done. But yeah, I will show you. It was so fun. I had so much fun tonight. It was honestly so fun that it was a smaller event as well. All these fairy lights and these L'Oreal we reused from Zanab's wedding, so they're all from Pakistan. Also the pillows are all from Pakistan. That was from Mari's dance. It was so funny. That dance was amazing. But this gabra was on top of that mattress, but obviously everyone's sat on it now, so it's a bit gross. The umbrellas were from Pakistan. The footage of us putting it up was so funny. And then this whole backdrop is actually from Personalized Occasions. She hires them out now because of all the COVID weddings that are going on. That one fell, but yeah, I love it. It's so nice. And then we had the 2 seats that I think you guys already saw, but yeah. And I didn't get any pictures today, but this is my outfit. I had an orange dupatta on as well, but I honestly didn't have time to get pictures. But yeah, all my family are in another room talking, but we're gonna clean up now. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry if it was amazing. Just like that, we're back to normal.
As you should.
Carry on, it's amazing.
On a daily basis.
Okay, no it's not. Got it.
3:27 a.m.
Excuse me? Zayn? What the hell? Where did you put that? As you can see, it's 3:30. No, mama. No! Siddharth, stop. I told you I don't want you anymore. Stop fighting over me.
So it's the end of the day, the end of the night. Clean up is done, kind of. Okay, we don't talk about that.
I talked about it through the whole vlog.
Really?
Keep mentioning it.
Oh. Well, how did you find the day? It was a really good day.
I'm so glad. Small weddings are the one.
They're the best.
Right? I want a small wedding.
Today was so much fun.
Just with the people that you actually like. No, not actually like, but you actually care about you.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't know people at the wedding.
Yeah. How did you feel the dances went? Honestly, I don't even know if he's alive right now. So.
No, but you look so cute.
No,
you did.
I'm just, looking around, I'm just like.
I'm so confused. I really hope you liked it, and there's one more wedding video to go. Be patient because it's gonna take a long time to edit. If you haven't already, make sure you have subscribed and follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I'm posting wedding content there. I hope you all had an amazing day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.